Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a quick one of some 1989 Topps. I have 3 of these little wax packs here, and I'd love to find a Randy Johnson rookie. I'd love to find a John Smoltz rookie. A lot of good rookies in here, maybe. There's some old gum. Okay, let's see who we got. Greg Harris, Bob Boone, Twins leaders, Jerry Brown, Al Leiter, Kirby Puckett, cool, All-Star Bob Boone, okay, one down. What else we got? Oh no. The gum is on a card I like. Oops, hate when that happens. Bobby Bowe. That's alright. Hey, Jose Canseco. There it is. Hey now. All right. Got what I wanted. Man, it's off center though, isn't it? There's my Smoltz rookie card. I do not have this card yet. Now I do. That's awesome. God, I love pulling stuff out of these wax packs. Like, I know the value's minimal here, but what is it? $3.82. $1 maybe. Look, but John Smoltz is one of my favorite players, and so this is freaking awesome. I'll put this thing in a little case. That's great. How about this guy? We'll put him over here too. Why not? All right. Well, I'm happy. We can open up this one just for fun. Looked like it was not even closed all the way. But like, why anybody would go through these and reseal them is beyond me. There's nothing that's worth that kind of effort in here. Ryne Sandberg. Jim Abbott. Nice. Awesome. Another one of my favorite players from back then. That's awesome. That's awesome. Tell you what, I was kind of going through this stuff quickly and ended up with some cool things. Very happy about this. Just adding little things to my collection that I wanted. So I have a Smoltz and some other cool stuff too. But there you go. 89 Topps. That's why we open them up. Hope everybody's having a great day.